Hey there. Would you like to be able to do this on your roadmap to swimming? People tend to think maybe you don't have to have your coffee cup with you, but it kind of, right? It's like, oh, look at her, so chill. She can drink her coffee in the deep end. One of the essential keys, if you want to be this chill with treading water, is you have to start with the foundational pieces of learning to swim, the foundational roadmap. This is a pinnacle event. This is what comes out of being safe in the deep water, safe within yourself, and knowing the beginning steps of swimming. The biggest blocker to getting this safe and this comfortable in the water is thinking this is what's required to know how to do in order to be safe. It goes the other way. I start with all the foundational skills and knowing, oh, there's no emergency. I can be at rest and hang out in deep water, getting air and rest whenever I want to. That is what leads up to this pinnacle event. Grab your roadmap to learning how to swim, jump in and join us in the webinar, and I'll talk more about the secrets of learning how to tread, maybe even with your coffee cup. Cheers!
Just popped out of the pool to pop in and see, would you love to share Calm Within Adult Swim with your friends or your students? We have an affiliate program. Pop down on the links, see if it's right for you to earn a little commission and share a little love.